Please rise for colors.
Sa kaliwa.
Approaching is the Charlie Company Commander, S.O. Andres. Staff, S.O. Tamor, S.O. Patel. First Platoon Leader, S.V. Talanya. Second Platoon Leader, L.G. Labide.
Approaching is the Delta Company Commander, S.O. Makayuri. His staff, S.O. Ordinacion, S.O. Ricard. First Platoon Leader, S.O. Benita. Second Platoon Leader, S.O. Giel.